I am currently standing near the Malakwal locomotive shed, and in today's vlog I am taking you to the remnants of Malakwal fire bricks factory, which has been lying abandoned since 1990. Let's venture together into the remnants of this factory. The fire bricks were crafted from a mixture of powdered stones and then fired them at extremely high temperature, giving them the durability and heat resistance. The fire brick factory relied on powdered stones to create its products. These machines were used to crush the stone into small pieces that was then converted into powder. The machinery inside this building was used to crush these small pieces into powder. This was the site where powder was molded into bricks and stored. There were 3 to 4 sheds where these bricks were stored before being fired into kiln. The next step was firing the bricks. These are kilns where bricks were baked at extremely high temperature. These were 5 in number. A trolley system was used to transport bricks into and out of kilns. Remarkably, these kilns have survived for over a century and still are in a very good position. The architecture of these kilns is truly one of a kind. Despite the passage of time, their structure remains remarkably intact. Their exterior walls were further reinforced with iron plates, which has helped them stand the test of time. Adjacent to the kilns were the chimneys through which the smoke escaped. This kiln is notably larger and unique in its design. Adjacent to the kilns stood a small mosque where workers used to offer prayers. Unfortunately, one kiln recently collapsed or was demolished. After firing, the final step was transporting the bricks to the other parts of the country. This platform was used to store the fired bricks before being dispatched to their destinations throughout the country by goods train. This factory or the entire system has been lying abandoned since 1990. The premises have become haven for the vagrants and criminals.